Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Make sure Find My is enabled on the iPad and that you know the Apple ID. Once done, sign in on iCloud. Calm or the Find My app on another device. This is how you query its location. You should also check any recent device activity and whether the iPad shows online. If it's offline, you can still enable actions that execute when it reconnects. Move now to locate it on the map and prepare follow-ups. You next open Find My and select devices to display the iPad on the map. This shows last seen coordinates and status. If it's near, tap play sound to help you locate it immediately. If it appears in an unfamiliar place, enable lost mode to lock the screen, show a contact number, and suspend Apple Pay. This prevents misuse. Also use the map's directions to navigate to the exact spot and make sure to record the last seen time for reference. You finish by deciding recovery versus data protection. If you can retrieve the iPad safely, use the map directions and arrange a public meeting. Once you have it, disable lost mode and verify data. If it's definitely stolen or unrecoverable, choose Erase iPad to wipe personal data remotely. This prevents future access but stops further tracking. Finally, report the loss to local law enforcement and your carrier for device blacklisting. If something goes wrong, retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.